Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be going to London to TikTok HQ. I'm going to be taking you guys with me along for the journey. We are taking a 3-hour train up to London. Come with me, make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Yes, people, and we have just touched down at London Paddington. At a very busy London Paddington. I've just touched down. I need to figure out where I'm gonna go right now. I need coffee. I'm like half an hour late because the train was delayed. And like I said, I need to work out my directions of where I'm going. So basically, everyone, we are going to meet Hey Honey squad at one of Gordon Ramsay's restaurants today. So stick with me, find out where we're off to, and let me navigate my way out of London Paddington. I've just touched down in Farringdon. I'm going to try and find my way out of here right now and show you guys around a little bit and let you know a little bit more about what we're going to be getting up to today on the channel. Right, people, you might be thinking, LJ, what are you doing in London? Why are you going to TikTok HQ? What do you mean Gordon Ramsay's restaurant? What's going on? Well, let me break it down for you guys today. And obviously this channel is all about taking you guys along for the journey with me, right? And today is definitely a journey. Big part of the channel is bringing you guys along on my adventures with me, and today is absolutely an adventure. We are out here in the streets of London and I'm on my way to go to TikTok HQ for an amazing, really exciting day, and I'm going to take you guys along for the journey with me. But like I said, the first stop is going to be one of Gordon Ramsay's restaurants, which is up here, and we're going to go meet the Hey Honey team. So for those of you guys that don't know, I've been live streaming for the last 9 months and it has been absolutely incredible. In fact, it's been life-changing, enabling me to do amazing things like this. Hey Honey are an agency that I am part of with TikTok, and they have brought me along today for the journey. So we're here in the hustle and bustle of London City Centre, about to get into it. We are on the hunt for Gordon Ramsay's street burger, which just so happen it's right there. Let's get in. What's happening, big man? I will say one thing, man, outside is so hot. Inside here in the restaurant is lovely. Check out this, man. I'm a little bit early, man. I'll beat everybody here. I'm the first one in. First one in. Alright, we just wrapped up the lunch in Ramsay's restaurant and we're here with the Hey Honey family. Hannah Honey.
Here I am.
Here she is.
Here I am. Everyone look at me.
And we're gonna head up to TikTok right now. I'm gonna take you guys with us. Man like Miles.
What are you saying?
It's fucking luggage.
Yeah. I'm going home after, man.
It's like, it's not easy.
How is it? You play basketball? I don't know. Nice to meet you both.
Yeah. So I was trying to look for it now. Thank you. You guys get registered.
Is it a good camera? Yeah, it's good, right? Hold it down, man.
Hold it down, bro.
Right, do it again.
Nice. Get us on the GoPro, come on.
Yeah, come on.
Come on.
Fucking way up there. Make me look short.
It's a lot.
Someone pat me a coffee.
It's not enough for me, so I know.
I need another 200 milligrams of caffeine. That's crazy. Wow, I'm fucking wired. I might take another tablet of a 2. I took a gram of caffeine, bro. And I was still falling asleep at the wheel.
I've been struggling to get to sleep having like...
Bro, you get tablets, you get a tenner for 250 tablets, 200 per pop. Bearing in mind a coffee's like 100.
So you don't drink like energy drinks?
See, no, I'll have like a white monster, but like you're efficient if you get the tablets.
Yeah.
And I was just like, I'm gonna need it for today. The travelling kills me, so
Yeah.
I took 3. But
And we have made it to the rooftop terrace of TikTok HQ. Everybody, check this out for a view. Wow. This is crazy. Get you as well.
You film me, I film you.
Beautiful.
UV12 up here.
What did she say?
She says she's gonna get tan in. So guys, obviously I've been invited here today by Hey Honey, which is absolutely amazing, but I only got this opportunity because I was one of the top 10 creators of the month with Hey Honey, and all of that is completely down to each and every single one of you guys that watches my live streams on TikTok, so thank you so much. If you haven't already, go and check out my TikTok. The link is right here and I'll post it down below in the comment section as well for you guys to see. Go and check me out on there. It's been amazing, man, and like I said, I've been streaming for about 9 months and the opportunities that have come from this already are incredible, and there's so much more to come. Massive thank you to everybody watching this video right now. If you do me a huge favor, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button and hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be alerted anytime I drop a brand new video. We're going to be dropping plenty of travel vlogs this year. There's going to be plenty of things for you guys to be looking out for on the channel, so big love. Let's go and grab some pictures with the rest of the gang over here. But honestly, look at that for a view, man. This is the top of HQ, TikTok HQ. We're right on top right now. We made it. Look at this. Insane.
What do I do, LJ? Just carry up, just
hold it.
film?
Yeah,
okay,
just
cool.
hold it and look
yeah.
good. Can you
Okay,
do that
right.
as well for me?
Right, hang on a minute.
I'm gonna put this there, right?
Shania, can you do that one?
What?
You do that one for me.
Fucking hell.
That's a foreign object.
But you're really far away.
Should we come closer? Or should you...
Why are you not on the green
Like, come
platform?
closer.
That one?
Yeah.
You shouting for? Yeah, go on.
Am I shouting?
I'm Elliot.
I am actually a bit deaf, you know, I think.
Right, I've literally spammed whoever.
Nice one, thank you.
It is fun, that.
It's a good
This
view,
is
innit?
this is really fun.
You'll have great fun with that. You should just take it for
Nah,
the
I'm
day.
Yeah, I would have so much fun. I might
How much are they?
Literally, yeah, I've got like a little
Really?
stick that I can take
Yeah.
the memory card out and put it straight into
I
your
need-
phone.
I need to get one
It's
of
so
those.
good,
Yeah.
so
I
good.
need one of
The
those.
video quality is amazing. You'll see it. I'll make you a nice edit.
Oh, it's so hot.
Big crash.
Oh shit!
It didn't actually go off.
Brother, big catch the ball, man.
It's not someone else done it, you know.
It's alright, it's not I'm not killed anyone.
Get that.
Sheen is yeah.
Sheen special.
So annoying. Is it she? No.
Wistful, please. Wistful posing. I'm really enjoying the wistful. Sorry, I can't help it. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh dear. I know.
Thought you were going to plug it in or something. Oh, I might hit the follow button. Oh yeah, there you go. Got that on video. Should they catch? This is the most entertainment I've had all day.
10 points.
Not all about you, Sean.
This one, right?
Yeah, take a photo. And also, you found that in the bin. Can I take that as well?
I'll ask her.
Thank you. Yeah, say the cardboard and the block.
The block.
The block might be a bit much, but if I ask nicely. Thank you. Do you want a photo? Here, quick, take a quick photo.
He is 6'4" and Jack, so you should let him off.
Thank you, man. That's very sweet.
I can't believe you're asking to take it all.
Mate, if they let me take
Wait, that
this.
light, I swear that's a light.
Bear in mind, I got to catch
It
it.
is, isn't it?
I'll plug it in.
You're gonna come on.
It's got a dick on it.
It's just- oh.
Where are you gonna hang it up?
Eh?
Where are you gonna hang it up?
I don't know, it's on my head. What do you mean hang it up? I'll put it on the...
You can put it on a shelf. Big.
Oh mate, it is a light.
Oh, sick.
Mate, I actually might get on dailies using this.
That's the trick, mate.
You know what I mean?
That's it. That's the key. So people, so far it's been amazing. Honestly, being here at TikTok has been really eye-opening and an incredible experience, and it's so cool to bring you guys along with me. I'm not 100% sure how this video is going to turn out because I'm just trying to capture what I can where I can. There's some places you can't film in here, but massive shout out to Hey Honey for bringing me down today to TikTok. This is amazing, and big love to everybody that's watching this video as well right now. Thank you. But anyway, we're right here right now. I'm currently streaming on TikTok while at TikTok HQ. Can you believe it? This is sick. I'm with the boys! Way!
That's fucking ridiculous. You just shouted that loudly. Case of care, mate.
Lemon's ready. Lemon's ready.
Lemon, so lemon first.
2, 3.
That was actually quite nice, that.
Half a shot.
Are you pissed yourself?
Pub?
Oh no, another pub.
Another pub. I'm quite excited, to be honest. I
Fresh,
can't
mate.
wait. Streamer. Thank you, mate. I appreciate it.
Love it.
That has got aircon. You know what that is, bro? That is living luxury. You don't really get aircon at other places, but in my hotel, well, you do.
Big on the Hey Honey team, man. Well, hey!
2 weeks, cuz.
Nice one, brother. Follow it, yeah? Nice one.
Right, we're dipping, bro. Lovely to meet you.
What, is IB for 2 weeks, is it?
Are you going?
I've got a table at Ocean, I've got a
So we
spot.
come with us. We're going.
Yeah,
I
you
wanna
coming?
do I wanna do fucking extreme day trip.
Bro,
Fly
there
out.
you go.
Yeah, sick. Nice to meet you as well, man.
We'll be out there. So.
Appreciate you, man. Nice one.
What's
man.
up, you boys? And a hug.
Let's see the shoes one last time. Let me see the shoes.
Drive home in these.
Back to the valleys.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice one, brother. Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, you too, bro.
Appreciate you,
got a
brother.
long-
Farringdon, where's that?
Oh, it's up here.
Is it?
It's literally at HQ.
Oh yeah, that's where I'm
Yeah.
going. That's where I'm going.
So we're just on the walk back to Farringdon Station.
Farringdon Station.
Say it, see it, report it. Report it.
Right, just left the boys and the other lot. Big up the Hey Honey squad, absolute legends, man, all of them. What a fantastic day we've had here in London. As I say to you guys again, I'm sorry if I haven't captured everything. I could only film so much, but I'm hoping that I captured enough for you guys to see what it was like today. But yeah, right now, making my way back to Farringdon Station. We're gonna grab the tube back to Paddington, and then we are gonna head back home. Well, hey. Let's go, man. What an awesome day. Big up to everybody. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and click the notification bell as well, so it tells you when I'm dropping a new video. All right, big up everybody watching this video. Appreciate you all. Big love. But we're gonna make our way back to Farringdon, which is literally just over there. So off we go. Grab our ticket and the receipt. Get out of here, man. Let's get out of here. Now I've got to figure out what platform I'm going on. Paddington. Platform 2. Platform 2. Here we go. Excuse me, is this platform 2? Where are you going? Paddington? Yep. Is that right? Cheers, mate.
Between the train and the platform.
This is King's Cross and Petworth.
Get on, boys.
Oh, we made it off the hottest train ever. We made it. Well, I'm at Paddington. I got to kind of figure out what I'm doing, where I'm going. Tap the train for good luck. I got to figure out where I'm going. As somebody who's not from the city, seeing so many people together in one spot is just making me like, ah! Get out my way! Alright, so I touched back down at Paddington. I need to try and figure out where I'm getting this train from. I need to go back home. I've got about 160 miles, I think it is, to get back home. So we're going to try and do that. Alright everyone, so I've got about, I would say, probably about 30 minutes before my train. For anyone who's never been to London Paddington before, this is what it's looking like. It's an absolute monster of a train station. So, hey listen everybody, it's been a very long day. It's been a very long day. I'm absolutely starving, so I found myself in Paddington Station at Burger King. We're gonna grab our order right now. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. Thanks, guys. You're smashing it. Now we got to find platform 1. Do you guys know where platform 1 is? Yeah, this way. That way, yeah? Cheers, guys. Muchas gracias. Right, everybody, we're gonna go find platform 1. Food is secured. It's not healthy, I know, but it's something to keep me going. Anyway, let me just shoot a quick message for anybody that's watching this right now. Look at all these people that are here. It is absolutely packed in Paddington Station right now. Do you think that any of these people care that I'm filming myself? Do you think any of these people are going to remember tomorrow that I'm here filming? Oh my god, they're moving. Do you think any of these people are going to care about what I'm doing? They do not. Listen, the only thing you should care about is what you're doing. Okay, people? Don't ever feel nervous about being in public. Don't ever feel nervous about wanting to pursue your dreams or doing your thing. None of these people are going to remember me tomorrow, but they might remember me in a couple years' time when all the videos blow up. So listen, pursue your dreams, man. Do what feels right for you.
Sorry.
That's my message of the video, okay? I think this might be my train. If you watched the video this far, do me a massive favor, smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, even better, hit the notification bell so you know when the next video is coming out. Brother, is this the Penzance train? Yes, yes. Thank you, sir. And we have made it. Now my task is going to be finding a seat on here, but to be honest, I'm fine with standing. We might try and sneak into first class a little later down the line. You never know, man. But listen, let's walk and see if we can get ourselves a seat. It's not looking good at the minute, man, I'm not gonna lie. This train is leaving in about 4 minutes time. Everybody is piling onto it. It might be a stand-up jobby. We're gonna jump in here, why not?
Feel free to ask the staff at the door if there are any.
And I think I, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna chill right here. Just like that, everybody, I've touched back down in Devon. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate all of you. I wanted to take you guys along to London, to TikTok HQ with me. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you've made it this far, make sure you smash the subscribe button, hit the like button. I will see you guys on the next video where we go to Edinburgh for an extreme day trip. Peace.